Good morning, student. Today on theorem, the ratio of the area of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their proximity. This theorem is very important for the question. How to prove this theorem? Suppose let ABC and PQ are two triangles such that angle ABC is similar to triangle ABC is similar to PQ. To prove area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB by PQ square on BC by QR square and CA by R square. Now in this triangle you have to draw AM perpendicular on BC and PM perpendicular on QR. You know that area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to 1 by 2 into BC into AM. BC is base and AM is height. Similarly, 1 by 2 to QR into P. Now, you can cancel 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So, BC by QR into AM by PM. Yeah, or you can write BC into AM by QR into PM. This is equation first. Now, if triangle ABM and triangle PQM, angle B is equal to angle Q, given what? Given angle triangle ABC is similar to angle PQ. Angle AMB is equal to angle BMQ. Each angle is 90 degrees by construction. You have draw perpendicular AM perpendicular on BC and PM perpendicular on Q. By AA similarity criterion, triangle ABM is similar to triangle PQN. Therefore, AM by PM is equal to AB by PQ. Given triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, so AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to CA by RQ. From equation first, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB into BC, AB into AB upon PQ into AB upon PQ. So AB by PQ the whole area. Now from equation third, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB by PQ square, BC by QR square and CA by RQ. In this theorem related question, when you will you have to solve, go to exercise 6.4 and solve question number 1, 2 and 6. Your next theorem is Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? In a right triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of their other two sides. Given a right triangle ABC, right angle at B, to prove AC squared is equal to AB squared plus AC. Draw BD perpendicular on AC. In triangle ADB and triangle ABC, angle A is equal to A, angle A common, angle ADB is equal to angle ABC is 90 degrees. So by AA similarity criterion, triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC. So AD by AB is equal to AB by AC and AB square is equal to AD into AC. This is equation first. In triangle BDC and triangle ABC, angle C is common, both triangles. Triangle ABC is equal to angle BDC is 90 degree. By A similarity criterion, triangle BBC is similar to triangle ABC. Similarly, you can write it BC by AC is equal to BC by PC. and BC square is equal to AC into BC. Adding equation first and second, you will get AB square plus BC square is equal to AC into AD plus AC into BC. Common AC of AD plus BC, the figure AD plus BC is equal to AC. So AC into AC is equal to AC square. One converse is Pythagoras theorem. It is called converse of Pythagoras theorem. In a triangle, if a square of one side is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides, the angle opposite the first side is a right angle. Now, in the given triangle ABC, AB square is equal to AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. To prove angle B is equal to 90. Now, draw a right triangle PQR such that PQ is equal to AB, QR is equal to BC, and angle Q is equal to 90 degree. Now PQR is a right angle triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem, PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. But by construction, PQ is equal to AB and QR is equal to BC. So I have put the value PQ is equal to AB and QR is equal to BC. So PR square is equal to AB square plus BC square. But in the question, it is given AC square plus BC, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So you can write instead of AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Now PR square is equal to AC square and PR is equal to AC. Now comes in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR and AC is equal to PR. AB is equal to PQ and BC is equal to QR by construction, and AC is equal to PR already you have proved. So triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR by SSS congruence property of the triangle. So angle B is equal to angle Q equal to 90 square by CPCT by CPCT. So this is two important theorem. You have to BPT and fourth theorem. First is BPT, second is ratio of area of two similar triangle, third is Pythagoras theorem, and fourth is converse of the Pythagoras. You will remind four questions. It is 4 questions means you will get 4 marks in CBSE exam. You have to solve some question based on Pythagoras theorem. I have given 1 or 2 questions. You have to try to solve it. First question is BL and CM. BL and CM. Sorry, BE and CM are median of triangle ABC. Right angle at A. Prove that BL square plus CM square is equal to 5 BC square. That is mistake in the figure. Here is E, but not E. It is L. BL. Correct it in the figure. Written is BE, but it must be BL. So BL and CM are the median of the triangle ABC. Right angle at A. Prove that 4BL square plus 4CM square is equal to 5 BC square. In an second question is, in an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on the side BC such that BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. Prove that 9 AD square is equal to 7 AD square. Some important question in exercise 6.5. Question number 7, question number 5, question number 8, question number 13 and question number 14. These questions are very, very important for examination point of view. In exercise 6.6, you have to must try to solve question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 and 9. Thank you.